In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use relay in Falstad. We'll walk through placing a relay coil, powering it correctly, and setting the key parameters so it behaves like a real component. Start by opening your browser and going to falstad.com. From the home page, click Circuit Simulator to launch the tool. For more room to work, choose the full screen version. If a sample circuit loads, don't worry, we're about to start fresh. Open the File menu and select New Blank Circuit to clear the workspace. Next, open the Draw menu and choose Add Relay Coil. Click on the canvas to place it and drag if you want to set a specific orientation. Give yourself a little space around the coil. It makes wiring easier and keeps the diagram readable. Open the Draw menu again and select Add Voltage Source, 1 terminal. Place the source on the canvas near the coil. This 1 terminal source uses ground as its return path, which is why we'll add a ground reference next. Go back to the Draw menu and click Add Ground and place the ground symbol below or beside your components where it's convenient. Now select the Wire tool. Connect the positive node of the 1 terminal voltage source to one side of the relay coil. Then wire the other side of the coil down to the ground symbol. Make sure all connection dots line up and turn solid so you know they're actually connected. If a wire doesn't land where you expect, just undo and try again. Clicking endpoints precisely helps, and you can press Escape to finish a wire cleanly. With the basic wiring done, right-click the relay and choose Edit. In the dialog, set the coil resistance to 100. This models the DC resistance of the coil and affects how much current flows for a given voltage. Next, set the on current to 30. That's the pull-in threshold, the coil current above which the relay closes. Then set the off current to 10. That's the dropout threshold, the current below which the relay releases. Using a higher on current than off current creates hysteresis, which helps prevent contact chatter when the current hovers near the switching point. Click Apply to confirm the values and preview the behavior, then click OK to close the dialog. At this point, your relay coil is powered by the voltage source and referenced to ground, and the simulator will respond in real time as the circuit runs. If you need to tidy up, you can drag components to reposition them or zoom for a clearer view. That's it, you've successfully set up and configured a relay in Falstad.